In this week's episode of Mod Mondays, we're going to be installing these affordable lighting accessories from Amazon on this 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Let's go. All the products in this installation is from Amazon, with each being less than $60 at the time of this video recording. I'll link these in the description box below. Let's start this install with these LED sequential turn signal lights. This comes with an instruction manual, plastic pry tool, a screwdriver, and both LED turn signals for the passenger and the driver's side mirrors. I got mine in the smoke black version. Start by removing the side mirror cover. I found that just using the tip of your fingers works better than the pry tool provided. Patience is required in this step, especially if this is the first time you're removing this. Put this away and grab the Phillips screwdriver and remove these two screws holding the OEM turn signals. After that, unhook the white and pink wires. Pinch and push the tab out, holding the OEM turn signals from the plastic assembly. Then simply pull the OEM turn signals out. You're gonna need to disconnect the connector to fully remove the factory lights. Push down and out and pull this out. Put this aside and then grab the LED sequential turn signal. Reconnect the connector, then hook the white and pink wires, remove the plastic film, and install the new turn signals back to the mirror assembly. Make sure that it's seated properly to avoid water from leaking in during rain events. Then grab the two screws we removed previously and reinstall these. Then complete the installation by reinstalling the side mirror cover back. Make sure that you hear all the tabs click in for a secured fit. Then repeat this on the other side. Next, let's install this plug-and-play bed lighting kit to the bed of our Tacoma. The kit comes with both lights required and the wiring harness we need to power these. Grab a drill or wrench and a 10mm socket and remove the taillights. We're going to need to remove the top and the bottom 10mm bolts. When removing the taillights, pull at a slight angle at the top while pulling the whole assembly back. If you've never pulled the taillights before, expect a bit of resistance. After this, grab a pry tool and pry this plastic cover out. Then grab one of the bed lights and harness and connect it together. Pull this red tab out, connect together, and then push the tab in to lock the harness in place. Insert the assembly on the hole, making sure that the tab is in the bottom. Then fish the wire through this hole and pull it out on the other side by the taillight. Then lock the new bed lights in place. When this is complete, we need to unplug the factory harness and connect it to our new wire harness. Push this tab in out and connect it to the new harness. Then connect the wire tabs to seat the new harness in place and reinstall the taillights back and repeat this on the other side. If you're enjoying this video so far, please smash that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Lastly, let's install this LED lighting kit on the interior and the license plate of the Tacoma. This will replace the boring halogen OEM lights. The kit comes with all the bulbs needed, instruction manual, and this pry tool. Head here to Tacoma and start changing the 4 vanity lights. Use the pry tool and remove these light covers by prying from the bottom. Grab a long nose plier and carefully pull out the OEM bulbs. Then grab the new LED bulbs and install these. Note that some kit might be polarity sensitive, so it doesn't work at first. Flip it and try again. Then reinstall the light covers and repeat this on the passenger side. After this, let's now install the map lights. Pry these covers off to access the halogen bulb. Then use tape to remove the OEM bulbs as they are very difficult to pull out. Wrap the bulb with tape and pull out and repeat on the other bulb. Then grab the replacement LED and reinsert it. Test it out, reinstall the light covers, and proceed with changing the dome lights. Remove the cover by prying here. Then remove the halogen bulb by pushing this metal tab slightly to release the bulb. Then simply grab the replacement bulb and install it back. Test it, replace the light cover, and head to the back of the Tacoma to install the license plate lights. For the license plate lights, we need to go under the truck to access these bulbs. We need to twist the bulb housing counterclockwise to loosen it up. I found that using one arm to reach from the side and one arm from the bottom was effective. Pull this out and replace the halogen bulb with the new LED bulb. Then reinstall the light assembly, rotate it clockwise, and repeat it on the other side. And that's it for this week's episode of Mod Mondays. Let me know what you think of this Amazon light accessory installation. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and pressing that bell notification so you don't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.